huge. Even Economic Times have covered this, that IIM Calcutta have registered the 100% placement with average salary of 34 lakhs. And you'll be surprised to know the top 25% of the batch have got a package of average 48 lakhs plus. 25% batch, मतलब out of 200 odd people, out of the total 465 students, 20% or 25%, मतलब almost 100 people have got a package of 50 lakh. Yeah, that's the kind of a thing you can get if you work hard and life में एक बार score लेके आ जाओ. That's why your target score is 120 marks in the CAT paper. आज नहीं, कल नहीं, नवंबर में. If you can get 120 marks in CAT paper marks wise, and if you are from the category, then if you can target 100 marks, that's your target. 120 open category, reserved category 100 marks, and you can get the call from this thing. I'll talk about the cutoff as well as we go along. We are also launching our program for CAT 22 and non-CAT exam. In case you want to join us, you can just call or WhatsApp any of the numbers given here. All our branches are now open, so you can call us any of the branch, and you can do it online. You can attend classroom. So G strategy program we are starting now for CAT 22, CAT 23 and non-CAT exams. IIM Calcutta have just published their placement report, and their average salary is up by 17% to the all-time high of 34 lakhs. Imagine your average salary is 34 lakh rupees if you convert this college called IIM Calcutta. IIM Calcutta means consulting. So consulting sector once again emerged as the top recruiter. 49% of the batch, just imagine, 450 में से आधे 225 लोग are going into consulting, and out of these 225, most of them will be abroad in next 1 to 2 years. या सीधा, क्योंकि कंसल्टिंग का मेजर वर्क इज अब्रॉड. इंडिया में बहुत कम काम होता है कंसल्टिंग के नाम पे. ठीक है, तो एक्सेंचर कंसल्टिंग, बेन्स कंपनी, BCG, Ernst & Young, McKinsey are the top companies which are coming on campus from the consulting point of view. Alright, followed by asset management, investment banking, private equity, made up for the 18% of the batch, have got into Goldman Sachs, Avendus, all the top companies coming in for investment banking. For the general management and the marketing role, 14% of the batch have got into general management या marketing. Hindustan Unilever, HUL, ITC, Nestle, Procter & Gamble, TAS, all these companies have come on campus. 19% of the batch have got into management and operations domain, including Amazon, Flipkart, Microsoft, Paytm. Alright, so this is a kind of a profile, kind of a package, kind of companies which are coming on campus, and with obviously 100% batch being placed for the 57th batch with an average salary of 13.2 lakhs. Now if I look at the cutoff required, so if you are a general category GEM, so 99.7 percentile is your target score. In other words, target have to be 99.99, which is 150 marks in the CAT paper. Okay. Out of 200 mark paper, you have to score 150, 99.9, otherwise 120 par hona chahiye minimum to expect a call from main IIMs. For non-engineer, 99 percentile, which is approximately 100 marks. For OBC EWS, this is for general engineer male, this is general engineer female या फिर non-engineers. OBC EWS cutoff can be around 97 percentile, which is approximately 90 to 85 marks. And SC/ST PWD cutoff is around 92 percentile, which is approximately 75 marks. That's your target. 75 marks is 95%, 70 marks. So चार नंबर आपके सामने 120 marks, 100 marks, 85 marks, 70 marks. So that's your target setting for the cutoff point of view. SC/ST is 85. Yeah, 85 marks, which is 92 percentile. Alright, so we are launching a program. In case you want to join, you can just call the numbers. All the best. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to the channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join the program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.